Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the side mirror on a Honda Odyssey. And to do that we need to remove this interior door trim panel. So we're going to start out by removing this cap here. So take a real small flathead screwdriver, and there's a little groove on the top we need to pry in on and then push down on it. And you can see right there that's the little tab that I put the screwdriver on and push down on. And then in behind there is 2 Phillips screws that need to come out. And then you want to pop out this cap right here with, again, using the small flathead. And right there is a little groove to pry in on. And underneath there is 1 Phillips screw. And then on top of the door panel here, take both hands and pull out on it. And then go to the other side at the top and pull out on that also. And then you just want to work your way around the sides and pop the rest of the door panel loose. And then remove the interior door handle by just pulling out on the back side of it and then just wiggling it the front loose. And then we need to unplug this wiring harness by pushing on the tab in the back and pulling out on it. And then to gain access to the nuts for the mirror, we're going to have to remove these little black covers. They're kind of held on like stickers. And you just want to pull them off. And then you want to unplug the mirror by pushing on the tab right there with my thumb and pulling out. And then there's a rubber grommet. Just push it through the hole and then push the wiring harness through the hole also. And there's a nut holding the mirror on in each one of these holes right here. And when you're taking those nuts off of the mirror, it's really easy for the nuts to drop down inside of the door, and it's really hard to get them out. So what you're going to want to do is take a 10mm socket and then take a piece of masking tape and just put it over the end of the socket where the nut's going to go. And that'll help keep the nut snug inside the socket and keep it from dropping inside of the door. So we're going to put that on an extension and we're going to remove the nut. And you can see the nut is stuck in the socket pretty good. And you can typically use the same piece of tape for all 3 nuts. And then before you take your last nut all the way off, you want to reach one of your hands around and grab a hold of the mirror, because the mirror could fall off when you take the last nut out, and you don't want it to damage your door or the mirror. So just grab a hold of it and then take the last nut out, and then put your tool down, and then just reach around with both hands and pull the mirror out from the door. And that's it, guys. The mirror's off. Thanks for watching.